Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Canva website to WordPress in 2025, step by step. If you've designed a stunning website in Canva and want to move it to WordPress for more control, plugins, and SEO tools, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First is open your Canva in your Chrome and make a design. After making a design, in the new tab, open your WordPress account. Once you're on your dashboard, go to the section where you want your website for exam in the blog post. Go back to the Canva and click Share and click Embed option. There's two link copy one. Go back to the WordPress search for Custom and click Custom HTML and paste the copied embed link. And if you want to see your design, just click Preview. And that's how you can convert your Canva website to WordPress in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 design and tech tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.